I saw your name, I was like, I'm sure that's you. It closes in very soon, so... King Kong, are you still here? Can you smooth this? You're still living in Washi, yeah? The arcades close at 7. This is dead quick. I am the only person on this ride. Cameron. Does this go backwards? I'm not sure. I think it's going to close very soon. Get your hands in the air. I'm kind of gripping my phones. Where are you from? I'm from Washi. I'm inside the arcades. I'm coming to see you. Aye, feel free, feel free. Oh, you got one of them nice Geordie accents. Thank you, thank you. It's a nice machine, like.